Hey guys, in this video I'm just gonna give a detailed review of the Ocean Little Magic Budget Magnetic Speed Cube. Technically this is a non-magnetic cube, but this cube has been modified by the Cubeworld.com and has been magnetized by them. So that's why its name is getting modified. Its actual name is just Ocean Little Magic, but since it's been magnetized by the Cubeworld.com, its name is getting as Ocean Little Magic Elytium. This cube is made up of the glossy plastic. You could see the way it reflects the lights. So this is definitely actually the glossy plastic. You could see on every side it reflects the light. It's not the disgusting frosted plastic, so you could get a very good hold to your cube while solving, and this enhances your entire solve and gives you a very good times. So the plastic is really nice, and it does feel certainly budget because GAN plastic and other expensive plastics are like this, you could see. So comparing to the high quality cubes, the Ocean Little Magic still feels to be a kind of budget cube, but not really bad for a budget magnetic cube. This cube does have a really good plastic. The color schemes are really nice. The red color is very dark and the blue is also dark, and orange, I like this orange very much, and the green is also nice, and white is just common to all the cubes, and yellow is also nice. So overall color scheme is better than what you expect in budget cubes, because this doesn't looks like a budget quality, because the color schemes in budget cubes are always disappointing, but this cube has some good colors actually. So this enhances your color pieces identification during your F12 or during your entire solve. Coming to the magnetic strength of this cube, you could see this cube doesn't have visible magnets, because nowadays modern speed cubes have visible magnets like these, but these are for very expensive cubes, but still this cube has magnets. It's hidden inside the layers. So the magnetic strength of this cube is actually not very strong at all. It's actually not very low, because you know the RS3M cube is really nice, but has a defect in its magnetic strength. So this cube has moderate magnetic strength, and you could still hear this click, right? The magnetic click. So I prefer this magnetic strength as perfect for this type of cubes, because this is not too low or not too strong. It's just moderate, and this is what you actually need, because you don't need it to be too strong, because if it's too strong then you have to exert lots of force to the layers for turning it, and you don't want it to be too low, because if it's too low then you may just start to overshoot the layers. So this is actually a moderate magnetic strength cube, and this really will enhance your solve. Let's check the corner cutting of this cube. Reverse corner cutting first of a piece. So let's check line to line. It's actually struggling over there. So not line to line corner cutting, but still perfect. Before the line to line, okay, not bad for a budget cube at all. So let's check the normal regular corner cutting. First line to line, it just cuts very easily, and 45 degree, no, maybe less than 45 degree, yeah, it cuts very perfectly. Now 45 degree, actually it cuts, and let's try some 50 degree. Oh, okay. So actually this cube really does corner cutting very well than what I expected, because for budget cubes it's actually very worst corner cutting experiences for me, and this cube is totally not like that, because this has some good quality in corner cutting. It cuts more than the 45 degree up to 50 degree, then this is really a good corner cutting cube, and that's what you need while solving. Coming to the internal settings of this cube, it's actually nothing very special. You could see it just got the old screw system. So modern speed cubes have just changed a lot, but as a beginner, because if you're buying a budget magnetic cube, then you're probably a beginner or new to cubing, then you don't need such customizations. This is still good, because this just gets customized from the factory itself, so you don't need to change any settings. It will be perfect out of the box. So nothing very expensive inside the settings. inside the cube. The speed is really nice. It has some high speed turns, and since it has magnets too, it is so stable also at the other end. So this enhances your entire solve because you need both speed and stability to have a very good solve. And it seems that this cube has everything. So perfect cube for your book.